Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and we're looking at a 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2600 RV. This RV is offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. There's a link below for new, used, service, and parts. Very spacious tandem axle trailer. Nice couples coach. If you have little ones, you can accommodate that as well. Here's the spare, and I try to mention this every time I get a chance. Really, if you get one without a cover, get a cover on it right away. The UV rays will play hell on your spare, and it breaks the sidewalls down. It looks fine. You don't know until you put it on, and then you have another blowout, and now you don't have a spare. So it's kind of a pet peeve of mine. Here's your water station and your pass-through storage. So nice size slide out on the off-camp side. Your Grand Design Imagine LED lighting across the nose cap. Long awning, double speaker. There's your 2600 RB. As we get ready to step inside, so now we're in out of the wind and the noise. You can hear me a little bit better and less distraction. So one of my regulars, actually I only have one regular that I think of, that I can think of, Aaron, he asked me a question on a previous video, and he said, do you prefer the bedroom up front or the bedroom in the back of the RV? Interesting question. Love to hear your comments below, or see your comments below. My point was, if you back your RV in, you have a nice view of the woods. If you're by a lake or a stream, you've got a nice view there. His concern, or his comment, was when he is up towards the front, he can hear if someone's trying to break into his truck and steal stuff. He said he's had a couple things stolen, and he's also been robbed at gunpoint. And our country is going to hell in a handbag, as we all know. So something to take into consideration. Front bedroom, rear bath, may be the way to go. Nice U-shaped dining area, theater seating with a center armrest. That great place to put your remote. Nice size bathroom, stainless steel bowl, medicine cabinet, really nice shower. So anyway, do you have a preference on front bedroom or rear bedroom? Have you thought about it? Leave a comment below what you prefer. If it's a concern of yours, or never really thought about it, or you have thought about it and you're set in your ways, and whatever those might be. Love to hear your comment. Love these little lights. They work as a night light and then also a reading light, depending on your needs. Then you have great place for your CPAP, your charging of your electronic devices, cell phone, tablet. Here's where you can hook up your flat screen TV for your bedroom. Here's another question for you. Do you want or use a TV in your bedroom? I've gotten to the point now, I don't think I've turned a TV on in a hotel room in, man, 3 or 4 years. I don't use a TV. I do at home, but I don't watch the news, and I certainly don't in my hotel. But I do watch YouTube videos on my TV at home. Thanks again for watching. I kind of rambled on. I showed you the RV, but I really didn't talk much about it, but just a couple things on my mind. Thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed my rambling, or if you wish I would shut up, leave a comment below, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks, and thanks again, Aaron.